fuel. No, we just need some fucking sounding proof.
Look at all the fucking. Look it up.
He's fucking struggling. If I've ever fucking seen.
What do you mean struggling? The struggling is not struggling. The
Dude,
struggling
my
is
fucking
good.
truck.
Ladies and gentlemen,
4 times out of that fucking thing.
Yeah, well, listen.
welcome to fucking Halfass Garage.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
So we have darkness down there. Come on, turn the light on. There we go. We've got an ECU. We got wires hooked up. We actually have an ignition hooked up. Yes, I know. It's shut up. Don't ask me about the fucking ties. I actually got that from Tavares online. It was he's like, oh yeah, just temporary. And I'm like, oh, that's a great idea instead of tape. The fuck is?
That's the hood stack.
I do like my intake though. Intake's dope.
Yeah, let's go right to the fucking trunk.
Yeah, dude, all the way to the back hatch. So yeah, you put a starter in and finish bolting it together. Cochran, over here, bud. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Fourth wall breaking. You have a beard.
I have a beer. And a negative terminal that's ready to
And you gave me a beer, so I like that. So, hold on. No, not yet. So, temporarily, till I have the positive and a proper wire down to the battery along with to the alternator. I want, like, superpower on this thing. And I definitely... I'm a little bit curious about the whole ground situation, but I have the grounds for the ECU. I know that. Those are good. That's right there. Ta-da. And then there's no other one anywhere. Well, there's another one.
We are ready to fucking rumble. Let's fucking crank this thing over.
Yeah,
I want to hook that fucking negative up.
All right. So, can you, do me a favor. You need to hold that for me, bud.
Can you grab that?
Internet.
Fucking Pollock fucking can't even fucking.
All right, put the fucking negative on.
Yeah, fucking holy shit.
Oh, unplug it.
I said,
Yeah, should be
I'm not plugging it in because I don't want this thing to catch fire on my terms. Those were my exact words.
Hey, the ground was off. It wouldn't have done anything.
Oh, I hear an ECU.
Grab that pipe.
Woo! Motherfucker!
Let's get these plugs in and crank this fucking thing!
I need to wire the fuel pump.
Fuck fuel. No, we just need some fucking sounding proof.
Look at all the fucking. Look it up.
He's fucking struggling. If I've ever fucking seen.
What do you mean struggling? The struggling is not struggling. The
Dude,
struggling
my
is
fucking
good.
truck.
Ladies and gentlemen,
4 times out of that fucking thing.
Yeah, well, listen.
welcome to fucking Halfass Garage.
So, we got plugs in. I think we're going to see if it fires up. Long story short, let's see if it fires up. Let's see if it does something.
That's it.
All right. What do you think will happen?
Blow it
It's
up.
gonna fire up.
It's gonna blow up.
The battery is fucking just about dead,
So, I don't think the coil pack's getting power. I gotta look through.
Well,
Honestly,
dead guy, so.
well, I'm gonna trickle charge the battery.
The fucking
All right, so what needs to be done is I need to re-verify that this thingy called the ECU has power and that the coil packs are firing. So in order to do that, I have to look at some wiring stuff, and it's far too late for me to do that. But just as a recap, we got the ECU temporarily in here. These are relays. Oh, nope, that's fine. Yeah, no, I mean, I think that's the K wire right there. I just have to double check a few things, make sure there's nothing came undone, because we did some temporary wiring. So I just got to re-verify some of that here, like that. This is temporary. All this was temporary just to make sure this thing fired. So we will double check tomorrow all of the wirings. Yes, I know that's unplugged. And go from there. So that's my starter. You like that? That's awesome right there. You can't mess with that. And I gave up. I said screw putting it upside down. I'll put it upside down another time. So yeah, that's how that's gonna go from now on. And yeah, so tomorrow's gonna be an exciting day. Stay tuned, and let's see if we'll crank this thing over tomorrow. Have a great night. Back. I think I fixed the wire that needed to be fixed because the I don't know. Let's try this. Hey, it's not tight. This is my temporary positive until I actually, you know, get the right wire. I still don't think I have spark. Fuck.
How are you gonna get that?
Figure out the wiring.
Ah.
God damn it! Shit. Yeah. I just gotta look everything over. I think it has to do with the wiring. I have new, not schematics, but wiring diagram. Basically, a whole bunch of people on the internet have different pin out things, and like this thing I already had. So I already had this. This was one from a Vanagon. So for someone doing a 1/8 swap, then this was something else that someone was doing a 1/8 swap into, and they're like, "Oh, all you need is that." And so my current issue is that black and blue wire is the coil pack. It's pin 1. This one says it's switched. This one says it's switched. But
I don't think it is.
to be honest with you, I don't know. I don't know if it would be the harness this way.
Yeah.
So I have it on that half of the harness. I basically need to make sure that that's a knock sensor. That's the cam position sensor right here. Oh, I think this is the cam position sensor, which I'm gonna figure out which fucking wire that plugs into. Where does this go? Where does this thing go? It goes. Oh, no, there's no fucking way it goes all the way that way.
Right there.
That's plugged in though, right?
It does not look like it. Yeah, no, it's not plugged in. It's not plugged
No, it's
in.
plugged into something.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. I want to see. That's a knock sensor.
Yeah, I'll turn your light. My light.
I gotta wait inside the car. I think this is the cam position sensor, which goes right here. It goes up, plugs into that bad Larry, which then comes up into this harness, right? Yep.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep, comes up into the harness. That's the cam position sensor. It comes up here. So I want to make sure that's plugged in. Okay, that's plugged in, cam position sensor.
Okay.
Is it good? I don't know. So that could be part of my issue. I need to verify power to this. So I need to figure out how to verify power to the coil packs. Once I do that, I will let you know. But in the meantime, take that. I don't know how to turn the light off.
It's okay. I'll
On
turn
my
it off.
iPhone, good. In the meantime, a short period of time, I'm taking this bad bitch. And either way, no matter how you look, no matter how the cookie crumbles, this has to tow this because it's not going to go to Canaan, New Hampshire, wherever. Oh, that thing's crazy. So, no matter how you look at it, I have to tow that. Means I need a tow vehicle. Except I need a tow vehicle that the front diff isn't going to explode.
Because he doesn't have the Pathfinder no more.
And that'd be a little sketchy tow. Maybe he can tow it, but the trailer Derek has, the trailer I'm borrowing from my buddy, is a fucking huge trailer. So I don't think that Pathfinder is going to tow it. Either way. But I need a diff. I happen to have gotten a diff. So my father's waiting for me at his work. I'm going to try to get some of it on camera. And we don't know if we're going to take it down tonight, if I'm just dropping the truck off tonight. But first thing, tomorrow's finale of this will be getting the diff in so that I can drive this thing And so I could drive it anyway, but I can't, you know, I don't want to tow with a bad diff. It's getting worse. So I'm going to put the new diff in, and then I will have the tow vehicle to tow that. So then Saturday night would be me trying to figure this out, or the rest of tonight, depending on how long or how far we get in this. We don't know if we're going to try to do most of this, or if we're just going to drop it off, because it's going to be 1,000,000 degrees when we get there. It's going to be really hot, so obviously we don't want to start fucking with shit. I don't know, depends. So I know I'm going to have to do something, whether it's work on this tonight or work on this tonight. But now I have 2 catastrophes to fucking deal with. So yeah, you'll see in a little while what I'm doing.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Let me give you some advice, bastard. Never forget what you are. The rest of the world will not. Wear it like armor. It can never be used to hedge. What the hell do you know about big bastards?
The world has just become so inhuman. Everyone's plugged in, blindingly inarticulate, obsessed with money, their careers, stupidly, arrogantly content. I can't talk to them. I fight them. I want to destroy them even.